not just as a major bio-producing town, but as well highlighting spectacular tourism assets and of course recognizing abundance in agricultural products. Sanyaka 10. And now, the arcades are not just the face to behold, but they both each are to die for. And now this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, I now invite our 11 ladies to stay on stage, where we will now be awarding our first set of special awards. None other than cabinet number 8. Congratulations, cabinet number 8, for winning the Texas Choice Award. Sanyaka 5. Congratulations, Sanyaka 5, for winning the People's Choice Award. By Mr. Mark Jerry of Blanca, our Miss Burgos Ismael is none other than Sanyaka 11. Next will be Miss Personal Collection. I want to hear you guys. Candidate number. It's candidate number 2. Congratulations, candidate number 2, for winning Miss Personal Collection. The awardee of the Bella Lisa Jane Salon will receive a sash cash gift and 50% discount to all major services of Elisa Jane Salon located at Met. We actually have 2 winners of this special award. Our first winner for our Gandang Elisa Jane Salon is none other than candidate number 3. It's candidate number. Candidate number. I think I heard you right. Candidate number 2. Congratulations, candidate number 2 and 3. Next will be Gandang Richard Season, to be awarded by Mr. and Mrs. We again have 2 winners for this award, Gandang Richard Season. Our first awardee for our Gandang Richard Season is none other than candidate number 4. For our Gandang Richard Season, it's candidate number. It's candidate number 9. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our winners for the first set of our special awards. or Sanyata 1? Hello, Sanyata 1. How are you feeling right now?
I'm fine.
Here's your picture. You picked an island.
I pick number 6, which is an island. I believe that no one is an island. All of us, we are a dreamer. And we have our goals in life. But in order for us to achieve and accomplish our goals, we cannot do it alone. We need the help of anybody and the guidance of the Lord God to accomplish it. And that would be all. Thank you.
Next, let us call in our candidate number 2. The picture is Facebook.
The picture shows a Facebook. Facebook is one of the world's most largest social network with more than 1 billion users around the world, which means that it brings and connects people together, whether you may come from different race, nationality, and place. That would be all. Thank you.
And now, let us call in Sanyata 3. You picked number 7. And the picture shows newborn baby.
For me, this picture symbolizes new hope, new beginning, new days, and new for everything. Because for me, this pageant is the new for me.
Next will be candidate number 4. You picked number 1. Picture number 1 shows Bahay Kubo.
Bahay Kubo. Ito'y karaniwang ginagamit sa ating materials pag tayo gumagawa ng bahay.
Sanyata 5. You picked number 10. 10 is war.
Sanay naman na po tayo sa ating bansa na punong-puno ng kaguluhan. Paano nga po ba natin maaalis ang kaguluhan sa ating bansa?
Next is Sanyata 6. And picture number 8 is falls.
This picture, nagpapakita po siya pang-relax sa mga stress kapag pumupunta po tayo dito.
Or picked number 5. Hunger.
This picture shows hunger people. For me, we need to be focused on it.
So, Sanyata 8. Kamusta ka ngayon?
Okay lang po.
You picked number 4. Happy people, smiling people.
This picture shows happiness of an individual because I believe that each and every step leads you to the next. Look how far you have come, not how far you have to go. You are not who you were, you are who you become. So you have to stay positive, like you see in this picture, stay determined, so you will move being a better version of you.
Sanyata 9. You picked number 11. Winding road.
Nakita po natin sa ating harapan ang isang paliko-likong daanan. Nagsisimbolo na ang bawat pagsubok ay may pinagmumulan at may pinagtatapusan.
Left. Candidate number 10. Number 9. Shows tree seedling.
Trees. To help our environment, we should plant trees because trees gives us oxygen for us to live. And also trees provides us food, protection, and shelter for birds and mammals. So we should not forget to plant trees. Thank you.
Now, finally, our candidate number 11. So, candidate number 11, you won one of the special awards, Miss Sanyata Smile. Miss Burgos smile. So, what makes you smile? I'm just curious.
Of course, my confidence right now.
Wow. And you picked number 2. Flying bird.
Okay, as I can see from that screen, I can see a bird. A bird symbolizes and manifests freedom and free will. We have freedom and free will to do things. We have freedom to do our own decisions in life. And we must remember that we must be responsible of that freedom. We must use that freedom to do grateful things. Thank you.
So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We have heard our candidates speak. And we hope our judges have seen a glimpse of their personality through their words. And now, you may say on stage, or we will be awarding the second set of our special. Our best introduction number goes to candidate number 1. Saniyata 1 for winning best introduction number. This is Lindon G. Naporda. So may I now call in SBM and Mrs. Victoria Regam Reyes to award our Miss Congeniality. Our Miss Congeniality goes to candidate number 2. Or Miss Photogenic goes to our Miss Photogenic is none other than candidate number to be assisted by, of course, Mr. Mark of Blanca. It's none other than candidate number 8. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the winners of our second set of special awards. Now, can we give a big round of applause to all our ladies? Ayan, palapakan mo natin sila. So this round is called select one envelope from the 7 which I am holding. Each envelope bears 2 words inside, which the candidate will then explain or expound. So good luck, ladies. There you have it. All looking beautiful in their evening gown. So now, may I now invite Saniyata 3. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. I have the envelopes, which bears 2 words. So you may now choose one. Word is commitment and vision.
Para sa mga kabataan, para sa akin, ang commitment and vision ay maa-apply natin sa ating sarili. Bakit? Kasi kung tayo ay may pangarap at malaki ang ating pangarap, nais natin itong makamtan, kailangan muna nating mag-commit sa pag-aaral, sa mga paraan, sa mga pwedeng paraan na pwede nating gawin upang makamit ang ating pinapangarap. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Religion and government. Again, religion and government for Saniyata 1.
I pick the 2 words religion and government. Religion and government must have unity and cooperation for initializing and implementing projects. Government must respect all religions and therefore religions must also support the government. They must support each other.
Saniyata 8 picked poverty and hunger. Again, poverty and hunger.
One of the greatest challenges that the Filipinos are facing today is hunger and poverty. Thus, if ever I will be crowned as Miss Sanyata 2018, it will be my role to give my cash prize for my advocacy, and that is education, health, and cultural preservation. Because with education, a Filipino can help another Filipino to uplift oneself from the dark pit hole of poverty. With health, anything can be achieved. And with culture, the Philippines will become an epitome of culture and reservoir of Southeast Asia. And with that, I believe that hunger and poverty will be stopped. That will be all. Thank you.
And the words are development and unity.
Development and unity. Tayo mga Bugosenians, kailangan natin ng unity para ma-develop pang muli at para mapalago pa ang ating country. Hindi lang pwedeng kailangan na may isang representative siya lang ang gagalaw. Bilang isang mamamayan, kahit hindi ka nasa posisyon, kailangan natin magkaroon ng unity.
Saniyata 11 picked tourism and economy.
Thank you. Our President Rodrigo Duterte do his job to make our economy progressive as he could be. We should reinforce our tourism, especially to the foreign investors. And of course, we must take care of our natural environment so we can have an economy, a progressive and prosperous one. Thank you.
The words are world and millennial.
Millennials are the pioneers of technological change and advancement of mankind nowadays. We, millennials, are the new trendsetters of today's world. I believe in the power of the youth of today's generation to lead the world for a brighter and healthier change. That would be all. Thank you.
The words are education and power.
Education and power. With education, we can have the power to do good, to power to achieve our dreams and goals in life. So, as a youth, we should use this power to change the world to become a better place. Thank you.
So once again, let us take a look at our top 7. Sanayata 2. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment of truth. Here are our top 5 finalists in no particular order. First to move to our top 5 is none other than Sanayata! Sanayata 10! Congratulations also to Sanayata. Let me see your hands. Sanayata. Sanayata 3. Next move forward. Move closer to the ground. It's Sanayata. Sanayata 11. Woo! I can really feel the tension now. And 2 more to go, and next is the next spot belongs to Sanayata. Sanayata! Sanayata 8! And to complete our top 5, our final spot belongs to Sanayata 2! Congratulations to our top 5 and the certificates. May now call in Sir SPM Bredum Reyes. And let me read to you the text. Republic of the Philippines, Region 1, Province of Pangasinan, Municipality of Burgos. Present this certificate of appreciation to, in deep appreciation of his or her devoted and valuable personal service and support as a judge in the Sanayata Burgos 2018 jury, the celebration of the first ever Bayog Festival 2018 with the theme Burgos nga naurnos kay natikkel nga panagtitimpuyog tulpag di kinagrupos, held on May 5th to 12th, 2018. And also, Mr. Rafi Apuan, Sanayata Burgos Pangasinan 2018 Chairperson. Domingo, please come here on stage. We also have Ms. Jemima Ann Parado, Mr. Rodolfo Rudy A. Ocampo, Mr. Louis Q. Season, may you proceed on stage. And finally, Ms. Matrika May Matmat Santino. Answer round for us to determine who goes home with the title Sanayata Burgos 2018. What does it take to be the first Sanayata Burgos Pangasinan? Again, what does it take to be the first Sanayata Burgos Pangasinan?
For me, it is an achievement for me to be the first Sanayata Burgos Pangasinan, because I know that God is there guiding me in everything that I will do and helping me to achieve my goals in life.
For me, this is very important for myself. already made history. And kaya ko po gusto sumali ng Sanyata because gusto ko po i-promote yung advocacy ko, yung gusto kong mangyari sa ating barangay. Gusto ko yung mananalo po ako hindi dahil sa maganda ako or sa pinakita ko ngayong gabi, kundi dahil gusto kong makatulong, hindi para sa aking sarili, kundi para sa ating town. Thank you.
Thank you. The woman standing in front of you is not just a beautiful woman, but I am a beautiful person. I have a passion and dedication in everything that I'm doing. And also, I am equipped with knowledge and beauty. And also, if I will crown as Miss Sanyata Tiburgos 2018, I will promote advocacies regarding social issues and social problems in our society.
Winning a crown is not just all about prestige and honor. It is all about responsibility. Thus, if ever I will be crowned as Miss Sanyata 2018, it will be my role to promote goodwill, to be an example of gentleness, kindness, and faith. I will do my best to be the best of myself, to inspire and influence the youth, and I will be more than willing to promote our local paradise of Burgos like Kabungawan Beach as a perfect getaway for those who wants to be with comfort of nature. Because I believe that Burgos is a beautiful place to live, to invest, and to raise a God-centered family. That will be all. Thank you.
Joining this activity means the beginning, and deserving the title doesn't mean the ending, but everything. I will be the first ever Sanyata Tiburgos because I have a well-rounded personality of what it takes to have this title. I have an unending beauty which comes from the inside heart, from my healthy mind and good soul that reflects the personality from in and out. Someone who has the voice of the people and can be the voice for the people. That would be all. Thank you.
Runner-up will be receiving a sash, cash prize, and bouquet, and of course trophy to be awarded by our Miss Teen Burgos 2016, Rosel Dayan V. Oiga, one of our judge, okay, Mr. Rene P. Domingo, to award our second runner-up. Sanyata 10. Next, we will be awarding the first runner-up. Are you ready? Our first runner-up is none other than Sanyata Puri. Major awards. May I again call Mr. Rudy Ocampo, International Media Man from Hawaii, to award to our remaining 3 candidates their past sponsored. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Who among these 3 will be our Sanyata Tiburgos Pangasinan 2018? Sanyata P. Kalikasan, or Sanyata P. Kalikasan, is none other than Kalikasan is Sanyata 8. Congratulations, Sanyata P. Kalikasan. Now, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We will be announcing our Sanyata Tiburgos Pangasinan. Our Sanyata Tiburgos 2018. And as well has a chance of representing the town for Ligasda Pangasinan 2019. Sanyata 2! And that is our Sanyata Turismo is none other than Sanyata 11. Gran Turismo is none other than Sanyata 11. Irish Angel and Parra. To be awarded by our very own Matt Kigame